time for a very last minute shaky intro. I've made the new lipstick, which is a plummy colour. So for this one, the colour has gone a lot better than the first one, but unfortunately it's a bit mushy in places. So I'm actually wearing the lipstick that I made right now, and as you can see, a little close up, it's actually coloured my lips rather than just making them shine like the other one did. And so I can happily call this one a lipstick. Here is the video on how to make it. For watching, and I will see you next Sunday.